Learn how to.
Oh dear.
Oh yeah, I just found out yesterday.
Did you hear what they said? Okay, I gotta stop talking. I talk too much in videos.
That's alright, it's good commentary.
It's terrible.
It's good, it's good. Oh shit!
Down the back of the next bit. Nah, last.
These guys like
Good position. Good job, Wendy!
Let's go, get up! One more girl! One more girl!
We play three girls all the time. And those are pranksters.
Four!
Hold wing, hold wing!
I don't know. Well, we actually sure to go.
Watch wing, guys! Watch wing! Did he get through? Right.
Yeah, right? Why couldn't you do that in fucking big game? No, good team, that's all. I'll stay on leg. Oh, well done, Nat.
This one's just whatever you.
What?
Good job.
Go, Jules! Go, Jules! Keep going!
Don't get under.
Sorry, it was the tag first. Yep. Oh, bad luck. Turn around, guys. Turn around.
That's forward, man.
Oh, good. Good tag.
Oh wait, the line is weird.
It's crooked. Oh, T, they should have put that. She drew in. She drew in. Bad luck. Bad luck.
Give me your shorts, Phil. Give me your shorts.
All right, girls. Sub if you need to, guys. Fresh legs on the field.
Oh, sorry.
Hey!
Go, Rave.
Why? What are you saying?
Oh! The tag, more value for money, you know? I was like,
More bang for your buck.
I was like, can I have double Belvedere, lime and soda?
Oh, yes, Sonia. Oh, get tagged.
Stay in front. Come on, T, stay in front. You've got this. Good work, good work.
I don't think they're going to.
Guys, walk up. Five and last, guys. Good tag. Good tag, T. Oh. Yeah, good work. Good work, Fee.
Guys, very beatable. Come on, keep it up.
Stop, girl, stop. Stay alert, guys.
Too much skin. Mark, come on.
Oh, and go, Leo, you've got that.
Tag.
Oh, good tag. Is it tag?
Tag. Down for it.
Oh,
Is that Jazz?
no, that's not Jazz. Oh, bad luck, bad luck. That was a good kick.
Anyway, they're throwing the ball.
You can get him to the to actually play. Oh, is your flash on?
Is it?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, I didn't want it to be on. Oh, well. Oh, good work.
Nice kick.
It was on purpose, that kick.
Wow, great defense, Anson.
Let's go, guys.
That play exactly like you can see the way he fucking tagged it.
He just died.
Go, Jules.
Good tag, Lily.
Ooh. Beautiful kick, Joey. Got that all on camera.
Hey, Ron.
Oh. Oh, bad luck.
T-shirt probably go.
What'd you say, Johnson?
Yeah.
6-2.
Wow,
Boys, you have sub now.
you got one sub.
Wow, you made up for it.
I think they can hear it.
I'm not playing anything.
Oh.
All right, man.
Alright. Do on those short ones again.
He's going short again. Ready? Yeah, cool. Yeah, I knew it.
Come on, guys. Get the tags. Go up on them.
Hey, you might not give them the ball the whole game.
Nice work.
Boys,
Good
you got
pressure.
subs! Boys, you got subs!
Don't all get off at once. Oh, go, Leo. Go, stay alive. Stay alive.
They can drink, That was Maka. Timur.
Yeah. We all need to stay alive for him so he can pass the ball because they're all getting drawn into Leo. Ooh.
Oh, he's got it.
Alright, good. Good position.
How many guys is there in total?
7.
You guys have more
He took his tag all the
Tag.
time, bro. He gets tag all the time, bro. Bro, score a try like me. Oh, he's off. Oh, he's gone.
It's alright. Yeah, I think Leo's tired.
Oh, she dropped it. She actually dropped it. No, she actually knocked down.
Did she?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't see because I'm looking through this little small
Yeah, no,
screen.
she actually dropped it.
Oh, well, that's a bad call then.
Hey, not so nervous.
Just you wait.
Oh, he's got it this time. It's tricky kicks.
Oh, look at that clear.
Oh, nice run. Come on, guys, stay alive.
Run with him, run with him.
Oh, sir.
Good lead.
Missing any guys? Oh, missing Ed. He's not joining. He should be. He wants to.
Jeez.
That's all. We'll be the. We should have went like. I can't think of another balls deep. I thought it was super thick.
Oh, good work. Let's go, guys, play on. Oh,
It's actually wanted to do it, but she's too scared.
close, close, close.
Hit the lines, guys. Hit the lines.
Guys, run the lines, run the gaps. Run the gaps, guys, run the gaps. Oh, so close, eh? Girls, you have subs. Gene, you're a good guy. Stay in front of him. Stay in front of the guy.
Lex, stop getting tagged.
Go, Jane, get in. Yeah, nice work.
Come back, Jane. Cover, Jane, cover. Jane, go down,
Jane.
go back, Jane, go back. You got enough. Close up, T, close it up, done it. Hold up. Go, girls.
Good work, guys. Lucky the girls have 2 subs. Bit tiring, if not.
We got like 4 guys.
Oh, good run, Jules. Guys, where the runners at?
Guys, look up! Look at the places we're on!
Run the gaps, guys. Run the gaps.
Jane, yours.
Good tag.
Close the gap, Jane.
Cover go.
Guys, we need to cover a bit more. We're too busy ball watching.
I think they're tired.
That too. And it's
very
cold.
relatable for me.
I think it's relatable to everybody.
Scratch that from the...
That's why winter season's the hardest. Hardest to play. It's just so cold.
Oh, I think I prefer winter.
Really? Oh,
Yeah,
nah.
summer I overheat.
Nah, I hate winter. My body doesn't like respond as well. Oh, good run. Keep going. I don't know what happened there, but it was good.
Ali, you good?
Oh, ref, come on.
Come on, Jenny, get ready. Slide hard.
Oh, that's close. That's close. Yeah. Yeah, very hippie as well.
Burn, Hudson, burn! Hey, Leo. Jane, come up, double. Yours, Jane, yours.
2, good work, 2.
Yeah.
I didn't really want to score. I
Yeah,
saw him.
it's done,
Come on, B.
Hey, you guys can do this tag.
Oh, good. Good tag, good tag. So walk up, guys. Walk up.
Damn.
Oh. We gave them too much space. Too much space. They're so hippie.
Very different.
So hippie.
Stay on, Frankie. Yeah, hands are fine.
Yeah, man, I'm not that much younger than you, bro. I still drink.
Nice. Good start, guys. Good start.
Could have done it.
Yeah, that was Jules. It's always Jules with the crazy kicks. Oh, shit. Go, B! Turn on that speed.
Why'd you pause them?
Because I was trying to think of another word other than speed, but I couldn't think of it.
That's it.
Go, guys. Aaron's there. Good run, good run, good run. T's ready. Yeah. Five and last, guys.
That was good use of Leo as well.
Yeah, it was.
Yep.
Go, Wendy! Yeah! That's my twin. That's not me. Another killer kick, Jules.
They're tired, they got nothing.
Don't provoke them. Don't provoke them.
No, they're not.
Oh, good work, guys.
Supposed to win. No.
Push in, yep. Support. Talk, guys. No, the seagull's out. Yeah.
Let's go, guys. Let's
Push
go.
them in. Push them in. Don't let them through. Mm. Walk up, guys. Give them the pressure.
need the help.
Yell out. Yell out. Seagull talk, guys. Seagull talk. Talk out there.
Wow, what a kick. Stay in, it's staying in.
God, no.
Oh, is that beef?
Just running, bro.
Hands cover. Hey, come left now.
Yes, to your egg. Yes.
Kick out, corner.
Yes.
Play on.
Yes. Oh, right. Hey. Back. Other videos. Play on. Back down, Genie. What there? I just got running right here. Like 3 girls in the middle.
Why not? Hands is up.
Field goal. Yeah. Oh, he doesn't get it. Oh, just oh, that was a 2-pointer because it was behind.
Further last.
At least. Oh, fine line. Look at fine line run, bro.
This is 1986.
Oh, fine line. Fine line. Go fine line.
Go in.
He just runs. Stepping.
Ems.
Oh.
79.
Oh.
What happened? What? But he broke the out of his hands.
What do you mean? I was holding with your hand.
You can't. Okay, good hand.
One.
Your son? Yeah, that was me. This game.
Five and last. Kick corner.
Pressure, girls. Man on, man on. I need to out you.
Someone literally on a chicken wrap. Shout out.
What's on the eat? What do you want to eat? Great pass. Well done. See, it's easy. Yeah, push him harder. You're not going to get through. I think you can tag all game. Switch.
Just that short, yeah?
Yeah, probably. They need you out there, Phil. They need you out there. That's what's missing, you know?
Oh shit! No!
One. One man.
You want taco chicken? Nice. Good pressure.
Yeah, Yummy!
Go, Anthony!
Why are you on backwards? Oh shit.
Take the tag, guys. Good work, guys.
Whatever.
Oh, fuck, she's got it wrong.
Oh, you know it's
Ball in the goal!
that was fake. That was a fake.
Yes.
Stay on, Chris.
Only Liam was chasing the
Everyone's tired. The boys are all tired. They don't have subs.
Fine.
Hey guys, get excited! We haven't been mercied in a while. Mercy, mercy.
Keep scratching that chin. Getting faster like that.
Losing weight adds some.
This game done. That's shit.
I wish you got good. Oh, what the? Hey, you got me. Too bad I'm on. Oh shit, they scored on it.
I know he actually doesn't look that happy.
I don't need fancy, so.
No, it's not fancy. We were gonna go. We were gonna go to Rachel, like a steakhouse, but we didn't.
Oh, yeah. Because the guy's taking a sip that it.
Not fun city right now.
And it's not free.
I knocked out like 3 times.
Oh yeah.
I had 9:31 time.
Oh, go!
Oh Leo.
So weird.
Oh Leo.
Good chase, Raven!
Shit, pass!
Go, Jules!
Help.
Go, Aaron! Aaron! So tired.
He's like, I thought we had 8 guys. What happened to that?
Such a lie.
It's going to be a couple of weeks, not just one, just saying.
This is every week at Sonic, I feel. And
Yeah.
then 1 week out of like the 12, they'll be like,
All of them there, yeah.
guys, get it up!
Usually it's the week before the finals.
Run, guys, run!
No tag, no tag.
Bad luck.
Mm.
Yes, you can carry me to the field where there's a live game.
We were like,
You walked right into a live game.
like, how's it going one direction?
Good one, John.
You put me apart. I don't think we tried to go the same direction.
Jump that. Hey, shit kick. Hey, son, just like do that behind. Do it! Oh, go Aaron!